This is Working Korea. I am at Singil Station, where subway lines 1 and 5 meet. Today, I can see the stock market and tall buildings in Yeouido ahead. Today, I invite you to the Saetgang Ecological Park, where you can experience nature and relaxation amidst the bustling city. I will walk from Singil Station to the Hanriver through the Saetgang Ecological Park, where you can feel the primitive nature right in the heart of downtown Seoul. Then, I will start today's walk from exit 2 of Singil Station. Starting from exit 2 of Singil Station, I will walk a special path that passes through the cultural bridge, Yeoui Bridge, and the lower road of the Yeouido overpass, reaching the majestic Hanriver. Especially now, October 12th, 2025, marks the time when the season transitions into autumn. Shall we explore the beautiful autumn scenery presented by the small stream and the stories of the lives that thrive within it? The place you are walking right now is the Cultural Bridge. This bridge is not just a passage connecting both sides of the stream, it is a space designed for citizens to fully experience the beauty of the stream. As you cross the bridge, take in the overall view of the stream at a glance. The winding waterway of the stream, flowing through the reeds, unfolds like a painting. I slowly go down the bridge. The blue sky, visible through the clouds, gives an even more refreshing feeling. As I walk along the riverside, after crossing the Cultural Bridge, the vitality of the stream comes closer. The stream is connected to the main river of the Hanriver, but it is usually separated by a dike, maintaining an independent ecosystem. Isn't it amazing that such a variety of species can live in the heart of Seoul? This is the Saetgang Ecological Park. First, what does Saetgang mean? Saetgang refers to a small tributary that branches off from the main river. The Yeouido Saetgang is a tributary of the Han River, and it was the waterway that flowed between the main Han River and Yeouido, when Yeouido was an island in the past. In 1968, as part of the Yeouido Development Plan, a levee was built between Yeouido and Yeongdongpo, which separated it from the main Han River and left it as a small waterway. The Saetgang Ecological Park was established in 1997 as Korea's first ecological park. Until then, this area was a blighted part of the city, with polluted water flowing and trash piling up. However, the Seoul Metropolitan Government carried out restoration work for about 4 years to restore the natural ecosystem and provide a space for citizens to learn about nature. Healthy wetlands were created. Native plants were planted to enhance biodiversity, and efforts were made to purify the contaminated soil and water. As a result, the beautiful Saetgang Ecological Park was born, becoming a treasure trove of urban ecosystems. Oops, there's a heron. At the Saetgang Ecological Park, there are comfortable wooden decks scattered throughout, and the bike path along the Yeongdongpo embankment is well maintained. Additionally, there are several natural ponds and waterfront parks created in various places. Walking here gives the illusion that you are not in the heart of Seoul, but rather in the midst of a primeval jungle. The cultural bridge reflected in the pond at the front catches my eye, along with a person jogging. I walk through the thicket again. I see a caterpillar in the heart of Seoul after a long time. It feels like I'm seeing unpolluted nature. The sound of the flowing stream is refreshing. There's a natural playground too. It would be great to come here with the kids. There are stone piles used for making wishes. Seeing these stone piles makes me want to build a stone tower. You can see a building just beyond the ecological park. There is a fascinating structure. It's a beehive. This beehive has been made by wild bees so they can prepare for the next generation. There is a stream flowing here as well. It seems to be valley water. Since it is a tributary connected to the Han River, it looks abundant in water volume. I will walk along the path towards Yeouido. This path is made of soft soil, making it comfortable for people to take a stroll. Let's walk together. Red and purple flowers are in full bloom along the roadside. It's a wonderful path for walking or jogging. This place is also decorated with flower beds. These are red and yellow chrysanthemums, symbolizing autumn. The Magpie Seo, who appears with Tiger Duffy and K-pop Demon Hunters, is guiding the way. Shall we walk together? Seeing the tree fruits, it seems that autumn is coming. I continue to walk through the tree thicket. Oh, I see a cute otter statue. This place is a major habitat for otters. They are the top predators in river ecosystems with a range of 7 to 15 kilometers and are designated as a natural monument and a critically endangered species. Interestingly, these otters live right here in the middle of Seoul, in the Saetgang Ecological Park. Thanks to the well-preserved ecosystem in the city, from edible mushrooms like the common mushroom and magpie mushroom, to the deeply buried earth star mushroom, and even the small orange beach umbrella-shaped baby leaf mushroom, many types can be observed. There are also unique mushrooms, like the red ones, so it's best to admire them with your eyes only. Wildflowers, specifically the Korean bellflower, are in full bloom among the bushes. I will walk along the deck path over the pond that I see again. The grass visible through the bushes indicates that autumn has arrived. The trees and vines reflected beautifully on the surface of the pond. There's a stream here too. The current is strong. Let's enjoy the sound of the stream. The bridge in front of you is Yeoui Bridge, the second of the 5 bridges between Yeouido and Yeongdeungpo. Wildflowers and silver grass under the Yeouido Bridge announce the arrival of autumn. Now, let's pass the Yeouido Bridge and head towards the main stream of the Han River. I see a unique placard here. The Barefoot Walking Movement headquarters has been established. You can participate in barefoot walking by coming to the lobby on the first floor of the Yeoui Stream Ecological Experience Center by 9 a.m. every Saturday. I think I can find another charm of the creek here. This seems like a perfect spot for summer water activities, with shallow and clear water flowing by the stream. Some people are dipping their feet in the water. But what is that floating in the water over there? It's the ducks. The 2 birds are cleaning their feathers nicely. I'll take a moment to watch the ducks' antics. If you enjoyed the ducks' performance, please like and subscribe. But that's a duck, right? It looks a bit big too. These guys don't even care as I walk by. It seems that others also find the ducks cute. It still looks great for water activities. I definitely have to come here next summer. In the distance, the once tallest building in Korea, the 63 building, blends well with the autumn-colored trees. I see one more heron. The embankment towards Yeongdeungpo looks a bit higher. It is getting closer to the main stream of the Han River. I gather my strength and walk faster. is the Yeouido intersection, the last bridge leading to the Han River. The view of the tall building is visible again. We have finally arrived at the Han River. The Namsan Tower, a symbol of Seoul, can be seen across the river. I really want to live in an apartment by the Han River. The view of the Han River Bridge and the sound of the train are magnificent. The appearance of the Yeoui Bridge can be seen ahead. Over there is Bukhansan, which has become a hotspot for foreign tourists these days. Today's walk ends here. This has been Walking Korea.